putting the Bills in command from the start. And they go on to defeat the Miami Dolphins. That'll do it. The clock running down, and they are now officially celebrating the AFC East Championship here in Buffalo. For the Bills, it is a club record 13th victory. 13-2. They were 12-2 back in '64. They won 12 and lost 4 in '88. Marv Levy and his Buffalo Bills defeat the Miami Dolphins by the score of 24-14. Throwing for 2 touchdowns, and Thurman Thomas 154 yards on the ground. And look at this scene here at Rich Stadium.
Yeah, see, they brought the horses in so they keep the fans off the field, and it really has done the job. These fans, they're going to beat up the horses. Get those horses out of there. They want the goalposts. You seen any horses lately? You were telling us we don't have to worry about crowd control. We've got the horses coming in. Well, I'll tell you what. Better get those horses out of there. Look at it. There's the horses. What do you guys do? Get my horse.
Well, the only hope is that no one gets hurt. They are actually, they had no choice. They're letting them go, Paul.
Well, those goalposts are like, what, $8,000 a piece?
Paul, looking at it from the economic point of view,